So now what we're going to do, I'm going to add a couple of pinches of pepper to this. And so our water is in the midst of boiling. So I actually may add some everything bagel spice to this as well, because it looks nice now. So anyhow, we are going to marinate this for the duration of the time that it takes for our water to boil for us to put it into the air fryer. Okay, so I may end up adding about 2 pinches of pepper. I've already put in my rustic Italian, my Universalt. I may add some Creole sultry spice for a little kick, and some parsley. Outside of that, we're going to preheat our air fryer to 360. And when that water starts to boil for our broccoli, that's when we will put our tilapia into the air fryer, and we're going to cook that for about 10 to 12 minutes. My broccoli is almost done, and so is my fish. I like mine crispy. Like, share, and subscribe, please.